The 2024 SEMA Show, where ENEOS, Japan's largest oil company, is proudly showcasing a stunning 1995 Toyota Supra. This iconic sports car, beloved by enthusiasts worldwide, has been meticulously restored and upgraded, blending classic design with modern performance enhancements. The highlights included a fully rebuilt 2JZ GTE VT engine, which was stroked to 3.3-liter with a Brian Crower billet crank, 272 cams, gears, and a Feria valvetrain, featuring custom Hypertune cam covers, intake manifold, and fuel rail. Fitted with a custom twin-turbo setup, it uses Borg-Warner EFR 7163 turbos, TurboSmart internal wastegates and blow-off valves, plus a custom manifold and hand-welded titanium piping. In this state, the engine develops more than 1,100 horsepower. Transmission: Tremec T56 Magnum F6 speed manual, Tilton St. 246 HD clutch, OS Geekin Superlock LSD 1.5-way differential chassis, KWV3 coilovers, stance parts air cup lift system, battle version rear subframe mounts. The Supra features a unique Varus wide-body kit that blends Ridox fenders with solid and Joker aero pieces. It's complemented by a Varus carbon fiber hood, canards, and GT wing. Advan RZDF2 wheels were wrapped in Toyo Prox's R888R tires, while Brembo GTS 6-piston monoblock front calipers and 4-piston rears were hard anodized black and provide optimal braking. The Supra has KWV3 coilovers with stance parts air cups to provide driveway clearance. Interior: Recaro SPJJ Tomcat seats in yellow Kevlar with matching rear seats, bride seat rails, carbon fiber dash panels by Intertech Fabrication, Max Orido X Nardi steering wheel with Workspell Rapfix II hub adapter, custom gauge cluster and HVAC by Stu Hagen, Proifican display and logger, Alcantara door card inserts and headliner with yellow stitching,